Here I am starting with GA4 data that is already connected. The question is narrow. If traffic looks down, which page paths changed enough that I would review them before a client call? One important detail. This source has page paths, not an entry page field. So I am asking for a page path review, and I am asking it to call out that the latest visible week is partial. I am skipping over the waiting time. The useful part is not that a dashboard appears. It is that the first check is whether the comparison window is fair. Now the dashboard is ready. I would read this in order. Date window first, then page paths, then source and device context. The top row gives the quick read, but I would not send only this. If the latest week is partial, a normal-looking page movement can look more dramatic than it really is. This is the first thing I would say out loud. The latest visible week is not a complete week, so the dashboard should separate data coverage from the actual page review. Then I look at the page paths. This is not claiming attribution. It is showing which pages changed in the visible GA4 page data. Source and medium tell me whether the page movement lines up with a broader traffic source change or whether the page view is more isolated. Device and bounce rate context make the review more practical. If the movement is mostly mobile or the bounce rate changed, the next check becomes much clearer. Before sharing this, I would open the calculation. I want to see the GA4 table, the date filter, and the exact page path logic behind the chart. The output I would send into the call is this short list. Which page paths changed? What source context matters? Whether the week is partial? And what should be checked first? Try it free.